Hello children, welcome to English class. This is your English class and we are going to read the chapter 7. We have already read, I am going to continue chapter 7, okay? Because we have already read in the last class chapter 7. Today I will explain you the story. What is the story actually? This story, see, it was a winter, rabbit was here about season also it is given. Which season? Winter. What happens in winter? It is too cold. We wear warm clothes. We like to eat hot things, drink hot drinks, isn't it? And what happens to the animals? They also have to prepare, okay, for rainy season and winter season. And here when it was the rabbit saw the weather, it was changing and it was going to snow. What they did? They collected their food. They were looking for some food because it was going to snow, and after it will snow. What will happen? The snow will be there and it will be difficult to find out the food because it will be below the snow. And rabbit said to himself that I have to find some food. And what he did, he started digging the ground and he found turnip. And then he again dug and he found again one turnip. And then he came to home. And when he came to home, he was very happy because inside it was comfortable in the home. Then he thought about donkey. That donkey is living alone on a hill. He is having any food or not. Rabbit was thinking and he thought that one turnip is sufficient for me. So another turnip, what I will do? I will give one to her. To whom? To donkey. See how good moral value it is they are having, animals. If I am having more than my need, I won't collect and keep it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. What I will do? I will share with my another friends. Isn't it? Now see here, this is the place where it is full of snow. Okay? And here are some new words. Hopping about, moving around in short jumps. And what is the meaning of pod? See, pod means dug at something with his paws. Turnip, a round white and purple vegetable that grows underground. Hurried, moved quickly to go somewhere. And this is the place full of snow. And in the next place I will explain you again the condition of the snowy places. Now what is happening here? Rabbit thought that I will share it with a donkey, and he slowly rolled a turnip up, means went up the hill to donkey's house. Donkey was not at home and it was snowing. Okay? So what rabbit did? Rabbit left the turnip by the door and hopped back to his home back. And after some time when donkey returned, she had found a potato for herself. Means all the animals were in search of food. And what donkey found? Donkey found potato. She saw the turnip by the door. What a lovely surprise, said donkey. But my potato is enough for me. Goat's always hungry. I should take this to him. Means rabbit gave to donkey and donkey has already brought potato for him. So he was having food to eat. He was satisfied with what he was having and he thought of passing it on to goat because goat was always hungry. See, donkey is also not collecting the thing for tomorrow and day after tomorrow as we people do. Isn't it? We keep the food store at least for 1 month. Now donkey trotted to goat's house, but he was not there. So donkey left the turnip by the door and went home. Here is also new word, trotted, moved in a way that is faster than walking but slower than running. And here see my dear, Here is the place full of snow. And before this period, means in the first period, before this class, first class, I have already explained, wherever there is snowy, means region, the place, there usually people build their home with this type of sloping roof. Okay, this type of sloping roof. See here, sloping roof. Not multi-storied building as we are having in Patna in Hanuman Nagar. Because if it will be multi-storied, or suppose it is multi-storied, 1 or 2 storied, then also the rooftop will be like this. Because if it will snow and it will gather on the rooftop, it will harm the building. So in the snowy area, the buildings are sloping, and usually buildings, they are wooden buildings, because wood is not so cold like our home. Tiles, marbles, and whichever ingredients whichever material we are using to make our home. This home is not comfortable in the area which is snowy. Second thing, whom I have taught, you will see conical trees also. This tree is given in the picture, but this type of tree we don't find in the, maybe place is not snowy area. Today it was snowy, but usually in the snowy area you will see conical trees also, this shape, because the snow continuous gives this shape to the trees. Now see here, soon Goat returned home with a cabbage. He saw the turnip by the door. Dear me, said Goat, someone has lost a turnip. It must be dear. When she passed this way, I should return this to her. This passing on, helping nature, is going on and on. Means not one single. It is a teamwork. Everyone is trying to help one another if they are having more than their need, isn't it? So what Goat is thinking, that might be deer is hungry, so I will give it to him. Goat then brought the turnip to deer's house, but deer was not there. So Goat left the turnip by the door and went back home. Now see what will happen. Deer came home with a carrot she had found. She saw the turnip. How kind! Someone's left me a gift, said Deer. But there's no need to keep more than I eat. There is so much snow. I wonder if Rabbit was able to find any food at all. I will give this to him. Him means here Rabbit. See how good feelings the animals are having. That they are thinking about each other. Everyone is thinking about each other. And my dear, in the early childhood, when I was studying in my school, my teacher have taught me, do to others as you want them to do to you. See here, animals are helping each other. And so what happens? In the last, the turnip has came back to Rabbit only, and he got the reward. How he have helped, it passed on, isn't it? So we should always do to others as we want them to do to us. So nothing we should keep with us. This sharing value we should cultivate in our day-to-day life. Now see here, a rabbit is having the turnip at his door, isn't it? Means ultimately the turnip came back to Rabbit. Deer walked carefully through the deep, deep snow. The rabbit was at home, but he was asleep. Deer left the turnip by the door and then trudged back home. See, if the rabbit is sleeping, deer have not even disturbed. And what the deer did? He left the turnip by the door and he went slowly back. The next morning, rabbit woke up early. He opened the door, and what did he see? He saw the turnip lying by the door. Now, how has this come back to me? Exclaimed rabbit. And how this has came back to him, my dear? As he have done to others, others have done to him. And my dear, this earth is round. Whatever we do, we get in return back. So we should cultivate all the good moral values if we want that others are doing good for me. Okay? I think all of you have understood this. Now what is your today's word? You will write the new words of page number . Today you will do the new words of page number 58 and 60. Some words are given in page number 58 also, 59, one word is there, and 60 some more words are there. So all these 3 pages you will do the new words. No need of writing again chapter 7 again the rabbit's turnip heading. You will leave one line and you will write today's date HW and you will write it down. Okay. Now I am explaining you the CW. See here, because hard words already you all have written. This is today's CW, my dear. Rabbit found dash turnip in the field, and what will be here? Rabbit found 2 turnips, isn't it? So you will write here 2 turnips. Two turnips in the field. Rabbit already had a turnip, so he decided to give the dash to his friend donkey. Give the turnip to his friend donkey. Donkey had already found a potato, so she thought of goat. This thinking, helping is going on, passing on. Who was always hungry. Donkey left the turnip at dash. Goat returned home with a dash. He thought his friend deer had lost her turnip. Here is goat returned. That means donkey left her turnip at the goat's door, isn't it? And what goat has brought? Cabbage. What is cabbage? Cabbage is a leafy plant. We eat the leaves of cabbage. All of you have studied in science. He thought his friend deer has lost the turnip. So goat left the turnip at deer's door. But deer has already found dash for herself. And what deer has found for herself? Let me see. Deer has also brought some food. Deer came home with carrot, isn't it? Deer brought the turnip back to rabbit's door. And like this, it goes on passing. If we do good to others, we get good in return, isn't it? This is your CW, my dear. You will do in very good handwriting. Hope you all will do it. And thank you for watching this video and doing your work very nicely. Thank you, dear.